Good morning, Miss Williams. How are you?
I'm fine, Miss Dobson. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm glad you could attend this conference today to discuss the questions and concerns you have about Maisie's writing.
Yes, ma'am. I've noticed that she likes to draw and write at home, and I want to know how Maisie's writing is here at school. Could you explain what her developmental level is at this time?
Well, let me begin by saying Maise is a joy to have in my classroom. Based on what I've observed from Maise's work samples, is that she is in the beginner stage. She uses drawing to communicate her ideas and information, meaning she is not yet drawing actual pictures, but she is demonstrating circle and line forms, which result in scribbling. Also, she uses spacing in her drawings.
Okay, I understand that. So, what does she need to do next? What would be the next steps for my Maise?
Next, Maise will need to develop strength and coordination of her hand muscles. She will need to learn how to hold writing instruments correctly. She will need to recognize letters in her first name and practice spelling it. Maise will need to begin using single words and phrases to express her ideas about her drawings.
Okay, that sounds good. In what ways will you be able to help prepare her for the next stages, and in what ways can I help as well?
Alrighty, so for us to better support Maise, we will need to continue to encourage Maise to draw and write. Maise will play with Play-Doh, she'll play with sponges, test tubes, pom-pom balls, and other small toys that require the use of her hands. She will need to practice writing some of the letters in her first name, as well as practice spelling it, and include her first name in her drawings. Now, her name might not be recognizable, but at least she's attempting to write. Also, writing will be incorporated into her daily play activities. As a parent, you want to let Maise see you writing, and you want to explain what you are writing. You want to make sure you have a variety of materials and paper available at all times. And we're going to continue with this instructional plan until Maise begins to show improvement in her writing and drawing samples. Now, these are just some things we're going to do in the classroom. These are also activities you can do at home with her. Now, I can provide you with samples from her portfolio that you can keep at home to keep you updated with her progress. As you know, Maise is only 2 years old right now, so introducing and encouraging the steps from the instructional plan early in her development will better support her. By the time she transitions to kindergarten, she will have been exposed and possibly advanced to these skills. Now, do you have any more questions for me?
Well, no, that was very informative. So, you continue with the instructional plan, and I'll do what you advised me to do at home with her. And at this time, I have no other questions. That was very informative.
Okay. Well, thank you, Ms. Williams, for being available to discuss this Maise development today. It was greatly appreciated. Now, if you have any more questions, any more concerns that come along during this time frame, then I'm always available. You can reach out to me. And we will continue to work with Maise and support her development.